Hello, good morning. Well, I intended to do this video yesterday, but my connection wasn't working, so I only could upload Nati's video. So I'll be doing it today again. I think this is the 12th time that I record this video. Um, well, you already have password, so you can take a look at the activities I've uploaded, and I uploaded you through your Gmail. I wanted you to know that I uploaded the book as I have yours. I uploaded the book. You have the whole book, and we will be working like this until I activities. Uh, to work with Unit 8B, page 96 and 97. Well, so I wanted you to know, or I wanted to explain how we were supposed to work with yesterday. This unit is about TV programs. I wanted to know how you are dealing with TV. Now that we have more spare time, probably you watch more TV. I don't know if TV programs or movies, or probably you like reading. But nowadays I know that well, in my case, I watch more TV than I used to. So I wanted to know if you consume more TV nowadays. Well, if you can leave a comment here and tell me about your days and how TV helps or not going through this quarantine. Well, I wanted intended you to start with the vocabulary, the good factor, because we are going to start with news. And yeah, we consume a lot of news nowadays to know what happens in the other part of the world, and this is now like some common for us to read newspapers and watch news and know what's around us. So, well, here we're going to do the first vocabulary activity, and there you have some adjectives that you have to put in here, and look at the adjectives that describe how this type of story can make people feel and match each one to a definition. So you have to match here and put the correct adjective. I will leave you the link of a good dictionary which to use and gives you examples. There are many dictionaries to use online, but this one I use a lot, and I think it's very good, very nice. So, well, here we have word building, how to form adjectives from verbs, because many adjectives are formed or come from, their base are verbs. So here you have, for example, the verb amuse can turn into the adjective amusing. The verb encourage can turn into encouraging. Okay, so you can go to workbook page 50. I will leave you the copy of that page. Okay, So also I left you a listening activity. We're supposed to listen to 4 stories. And first of all, I wanted you to take notes about what you think is important in each of the stories. Sorry. And then here we were going to listen to it again and complete the summaries, because you have summaries, but there are some missing words. So with the second listening, we were supposed to complete this. You have it in the activities, so you can go over it more than once if you want to. See? Well, this is how your work. Here you have the listening. This part, a picture of this part, and here you have the track. You can listen to it more than once. Then I wanted you to see passive reporting verbs. And here you have the examples. For example, it was thought that the large blue butterfly was extinct. As you can see, only the first part you can find the passive. You see, the blue butterfly was extinct. So this is past simple. But the first part, it's the reporting part. So this is a way to report, for example, in stories or in TV, when a reporter is talking about something. So it was thought in the past, but by someone. So we don't know, it's not clear here who thought this, but he or she is retelling this part, And here it is estimated. Nowadays, it is estimated. Yeah, it's reporting something. You have present passive in the present tense. It is estimated that 12 large blue butterflies will be seen in the summer. Will be seen this. Okay, so again, this is something very used in reporting stories. So here you have the explanation. I don't know if you can see it. I believe you have it here. Here. Okay. Again, internet is not that good. Here you have it. Yes. Yeah. And the passive reporting verbs. So, okay. I don't know where I stopped, but here you have the. I had to leave because of my dogs. They were barking very loud. I have the explanation of the use of the passive reporting verbs, which are the common verbs we use, and the structure. So the structure. So please pay attention to the structure of these reporting verbs, of these passive reporting verbs. Okay, so then activity 9, activity 10. Yes, I come watching the video. So let's see. This of your classroom. Okay, so well, you have the keys, and as I told you, you have to do activity 9 and activity 10. This is sentence transformation, and you have to you have to make the correct sentence with those words, and then writing part. I think you like writing, and I think you are very good. So I would like you to write a news story. You just write the story. Okay, you write the story, and you can choose a person rescued by an animal, a discovery of a valuable painting or antique, a 10-year-old child that has been compared, the invention of new clothing fabric, a couple who are celebrating their 90th anniversary, so they are quite old, and a dentist. That people have 6 options for your writing. You can choose, and I hope we can meet next time so we can talk and discuss about the next unit. Well, we still are in the same unit. We'll be dealing with omitted because it's a great opportunity to chat, and as we only have 1 hour, difficult, especially in quarantine, that we don't see each other face to face, and I believe that's ideal. But anyways, we try our best. I know you have a lot of work, so we try our best to learn and to be with other people in this situation. I hope you can finish homework. If you have any to me, or you can write it. Well, have a nice day, and I'll be here if you need me. You can contact me anytime you need. So thank you. Bye bye.